Hey, what up guys, it's Josh with DepriveD Productions. Just wanted to show off the Alpha 2 Ethereal playthrough a little bit because we're going to release a demo of this one very, very soon. Can't wait to let you guys kind of play through it. Don't want to show off a bunch of stuff, so I just want to show you guys the artwork, okay? Simple, quick video. Just wanted to show off some of the artwork. It looks a lot prettier. You can obviously still run around and roll around and do like a long jump thing, you know what I'm talking about? And swing your sword and blow up if you can hit them. Yes! I killed one or whatever it is, blew it up, shattered it, or whatever good word it is there. Little bases, randomly color generated size and all that good stuff. It's just cool stuff, you know, little artwork, make it a little prettier. Kind of cool. I got the camera set up to where if he goes through them, kind of translucent look there. And it'll do it with the ball too. It's really, really hard on the PC at the moment because of all the software running. Wow. You can't handle it. But once I smoothen that out, I'm not doing all this nonsense. Yeah, it works really well. Imagine this being like a skill-based game, like skill-based progression. So I wouldn't actually have the sword. If you started the game, I'd just be able to jump and walk. So I wouldn't be able to open that door because I need to swing the green sword or whatever not to get in there. So I'd actually have to go this way. There's a lot of cool puzzles, but there's a way you get through this. I'm working on the little lightning kind of particle system. It's not going very well, but you have to get past that. There is a certain thing that you have to do, whatever, but, you know, for now, I've got everything turned off where I can just kind of walk through it, and you would go into the next room. But the reason I wanted to show you up in here is because, and like I said, every room will kind of have the same look to it a little bit, but you know, something significant or unique about it, you know what I'm saying, a little something different, little battle pop-up scenes will happen from here and there, and none of that is in here right now. I didn't want you to see it because it's not finished, but there's some stuff here, right? Another way to go over there, but can't get to it. You can tell the door's a little bluish color instead of green over there. A little different, you know what I mean? But this would be one of the collectibles, and this is actually the sword. So if you were to be able to get close to it, which you can't, but if you were to be able to jump right here and actually collect it, you know what I'm saying? Boom, you got the sword now, and now you'd be able to swing it so you could be going back through the level and see some of the doors you couldn't open, right? You know, Super Metroid, Zelda. Ability-based progression, although there will be some other RPG elements in here as well. But, like I said, I don't want to show you too much. That guy on the wall, he's going to start firing at you if you get too close, so something you have to deal with. Like I said, you could open this door now. Well, maybe. If you hit it, boom, you can go that way. Or I could go back to the beginning here, right to the first area we were in, and I could walk over here and I got this door right here, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, I'll show you this one more room. I'll show you these four, and that's it. I really don't want to show you too much else because there's a lot going on, but got something pretty serious going on here, right? There's a couple little things that you're going to have to do and figure out, and like I said, there's going to be some ball puzzles. I ain't going to lie to you. A little hint right here for a lot of people that aren't going to see this little hole in the wall. It is here, and it is important. And again, you're having some frame rate issues here. This obviously won't happen when you're not recording the audio and video as well. But I mean, yeah, there's some little secret here I just kind of showed you. You see what I did there? Got on the other side. I got on the other side. But if you're playing through my game and you ain't got the ball yet, guess what? You ain't gonna be doing none of this. None of this, son. But still, you already have an idea. And as you can tell, it runs decently smooth. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. But still working on cleaning it up a little bit. But yeah, guys, that's probably all I should really show you. Just wanted to show you some of the artwork. I'm kind of just setting it up. Everything was made in Blender, which is kind of cool. But like I said, this thing is actually really important. And, you know, once again, you can't really go and do all that nonsense until you have the ball. But there's other doors you can go through. You know what? I'm going to show you one more room, guys. Just one more. That's it. I got this big one in here, right? Got a lot going on. And the little puzzle, I mean, it's obviously pretty obvious what's going on. I'm trying to get a really good gooey water material kind of thing going on down there. I'm still working on this room. It's a little dark. As you can tell, I need to build the lighting. Up in the left-hand corner, up in the left-hand corner of the screen, my God. The thing is trying to kill me. God help us. I've got a little health bar kind of thing going on. I actually had it programmed to where there was a certain button I could press and it would drain it so I could make sure it works, but it definitely works. Just imagine each cross being 100 health, and as it subtracts, you know, it'll subtract the first one, subtract the second one. I used that pretty much that health bar material I taught you guys in the material blueprint tutorials. I can't remember exactly which one it was, but yeah, we learned about the health bar with the material instance, and we used it to bring down the health. I mean, yeah, I kind of used that system, just kind of made it a little prettier, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, there is a way to get up there, up top of that wall, and there's some more stuff to do, but you guys kind of have an idea of what the artwork of this prototype is going to be, and there's going to be several rooms. There's 7 or 8 built right now, and once there's 9 or 10, I'm going to go ahead and release it to you guys, but there's a lot of other things going on. I'm going to set all that up, but can't wait to show you guys, man. It won't be long. Hope this looks cool to you guys, man. This is just me showing off some stuff I'm working on. I'm going to release it, like I said, a prototype, and let you guys play through it for free, like I said. And if I really like the way it's going, I'm going to finish it and blah, 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 and stuff like that. And till we get kind of an idea. I'm accepting ideas. We're all thinking about some cool stuff at the moment. But yeah, lots of work to do. Guys, thanks for watching, checking it out, man. Ethereal, go hit up the subscribe to the page, man. DepriveD Productions channel on YouTube, on Facebook, all day, every day. We're going to keep working on this and keep releasing all kind of tutorials. And guess what? Here in about 6 days, we're releasing the new cover track from DepriveD. But yeah, guys, besides that, appreciate you checking it out, man. I'll be back with more updates, more demos, more all that cool stuff, tutorials. It's all on the way. Until then, man, have a good one. See ya.